Good morning all. Yes, my name is Bonkosi Twala from Extension 8 in Mbongeni Mkukutu. Yes. We have a complaint here. We are crying for our student Lena. Is dead at site 22. So lomntana ubule engathi kusola ngathi ubulela amakula. So sisifuna information ukuthi kahle kahle ikwenzakala because masifike emaphoyiseni abasitshela information ephelele. So as abantwana besikole eMbongeni Mkukutu zonke izikolo sifuna like information basitshela into straight because masiya kubo basitshela ukuthi lento siyenza wrong. Kanjani one of our school learners like ulimele. So like makulimele nestimile song because all as ama-schools asekho safe. Manje abantwana batubula bathutshuliwe lapha lesuthu. Amaphoyisa awanayo right ukuthi okuqala. Okay asal but we need ash. I don't know how I can explain this.
Mhlambe mhlambe ngengizwe nje lo mntwana lona obudujule bekujule kwenza bekuyimashi or bekunjani?
Abekungasi bekuyimashi. Bekuyimashi kisha makhulu. So umfana ngathi umfana athendayo kumama Saturday school.
Ebedlule eceleni.
Esedlule eceleni. So kwenzakala ukuthi manje bamdubula. Kama la khulwazi. Kama la khulwazi. So manje siyoku siya police station nasesikoleni si address lenda babo. So abasiniki information ephelele. So as a school like silimele sibhlunga kakhulu kodwa. So ayikho nje. So like ama case like sifuna nokuvula ne case kumele bacacile bakho. Mababuye back. Bangayidli into abayenzayo basitubula nani nani. Because kanjalo yabona manje simile la indawo newakhe. Sifuna ke police station sifike sikhulume nabo as ama member wepaso nani nani. Futhi asibali ipaso. As ama learners. Ilento besayisho principal as ama learners. La sifuna ipaso in like sifuna le ndaba le ilandelele. Ilandelele sikwazi ukuthi sitshelwe ingapheli kanjalo because kwadubula umntwana la 6 yaphela kanjalo namhlanje asazi ukuthi kwenzakala.
So akuyona into yokuqala le
akuyona into yokuqala and yoku-stream angathi lo sisho ijiliwe kuseni izolo nga-7 kule lapha eMichael yes so like into eyenzakala la itsaka nebhlungu thina la ibhlungu so ngithi mina namakula awahambe